My name is Baskin Jones, and I'm a Mississippi truck accident lawyer. We help folks who have been hurt in 18-wheeler wrecks. Often, the injuries in these wrecks are very large. They involve medical bills. They involve future lost work. They involve disability, not being able to do the things that you were able to do before. We're happy to help you with any part of this claim, to get you to the right doctor, to show you exactly what your claim might be worth. We provide a free, no obligation consultation. You can call us anytime. We're happy to talk to you about this claim.